What's your name?
Carson.
Carson, where you from?
I'm from Indiana.
Carson from Indiana. Bust a jam. Oh, and you need a pick?
Yeah.
Alright. You got something with lyrics? Right. You got an original?
I don't know. I don't really got a lot. But...
Yeah. Go break it down. Bust a jam. Rock and roll.
I have to remember it real quick.
All right. Oh, what's your name again?
Carson.
Carson. All right, just Carson. He's getting it together. All right, get it together, Carson. Go ahead, get it together, Carson. All right, how about you just pick 3 different chords? All right. Or 4 different chords, however you want to do it. It's usually 3, but give me 3 different chords. Give me a C, E, G. All right. C. Alright,
Here.
Thanks, Carson. Thanks, Carson. Yeah, man. Maybe or maybe not. I'm not too sure about this, but I don't know. We'll have to see if there's a category for it. You know, in 3 or 4 days, maybe a week, the video being busted down PC. It's on Facebook.